be looking at how to prevent CAD changes from propagating. One method is shown in this video that uses the Wave Associativity Manager to freeze the idealized part. However, this method will not keep the idealized part frozen if you want to save as a different name. Another method that we'll look at today uses the assembly load options. Now, one of the nice things about using Simcenter 3D is that if we make a change to the CAD part, that change will propagate through to our simulation files. So here, just to take a look at that, let's go ahead and open up our simulation files associated with this CAD model that we just made a change to. And if we go to the FEM, what you'll see is we get an information window that pops up letting us know that there's been a CAD change, and we need to hit the update button to allow that change to propagate through to our FEM. And you can see that change automatically comes into our idealized part as well. Now let's say we don't want that change to come into our simulation files. What we can do is first change our assembly load options to minimal load lightweight display. This will not load any inner part data, and since we promoted or wave linked our geometry and our idealized part to create our mid-surface, those changes will not propagate. So here you can see the idealized part still has the hole that was deleted in the original CAD model, and there's no update pending in the FEM. Now, we have to be careful not to open the CAD file, because once we do that, that change will propagate to the idealized part and to the FEM. So that is how to prevent CAD changes from propagating through your simulation files.